That's why now I'm taking the crack out to see what is the fault here. What the fuck? Shit, this is the code. Oh, hey yo, what the?
Oh, wait, sir. Welcome back to the channel. My good sir, just wanted to find out. Ticket cover,
Polo 1.6.
polo 9N.
We don't do this one.
You don't do it. We are looking for Protea Engineering right now. Here is Protea Engineering, but they probably closed by now. Can they open on a Saturday?
Let's hope with this. Ja, let's go.
Let's do one.
Ja, let's go.
Hello? Hello? Fuck, okay.
Tap it. Hij was net zo tap it, just like tap it cover.
Hey.
The tappet cover is cracked. I don't know if you guys maybe have one.
En wat vehicle?
It's a Polo 9N.
Is hij?
Is dat niet?
Is hij? Oké, nee, uitspraak. Shot, right af. Hij lijkt olie.
Lekker olie.
Ja.
Sparkplug.
Nee, hier zo.
Nee.
Die boot. Ik wil lopen daar onderuit.
Away, Lisa. Welcome back to the channel. This video is gonna be all over the place, gonna be a bit messy. I quickly have an update on the car, but the car's right here, as you can see. There's a few changes I've made to the car, as you can see right there. And the car's been giving me problems, like right here. You can see we're still busy with it. And the other thing as well, man, I don't have tools. That's why most of the times I don't work on cars myself, because I don't have the right tools for it. Like for instance, this is my toolbox, brother.
What's that?
This is my toolbox. What? Imagine.
What's that, brother?
So I don't have tools at all. So I'm just gonna quickly get a toolbox from my friend across the street, and then we're gonna try to tackle this. Got the few spark plugs there because I missed this one. Not I missed this one, but yeah, that's gonna be messed up. And then at the same time, you're gonna be looking for a tappet cover because yeah, that thing is correct.
Hello there.
Ja, maak hem oop. Nee, je moet hem met die linkerhand. No, seriously, werk je met die linkerhand. Ik zeg ergens daar weg, zie je. Ik heb je gezegd. Wat zeg?
Stel jij?
Wat zeg?
Lekker, lekker.
Nee, sweet.
Wat is dat?
Sweet. Yeah, now this is a toolbox, bro.
Ja, nee, hij heeft iets van alles.
Yo guys, if I had to show you my toolbox, bro. Yeah, so what's actually happening is the tappet cover is cracked. Yeah. I don't know, I think they tried to make it fast, then they cracked it. And then these motherfuckers, YouTuber didn't swear, I said motherfucker. These motherfuckers, no, now I said fuck.
Ja,
These motherfuckers crack this thing and then they close it up with this, I don't know what you call this thing. What name is it? What? It's like a, ooh shit, sorry. It's like a potty nonsense thing.
What?
They close the thing up with that shit. So, everything is loose. All of them are loose. Yeah?
Ja.
The only one that's tight is the one inside here. That's what I need a socket for.
Kan je eens kijken, ik heb de extension hier zo.
Yeah, man, they didn't give me stuff because I don't know those things. So, yeah, the plan is to get this thing loose, go look for a replacement one, maybe go look for a second hand one at scrap yards. Alright guys, so just gonna untighten that thing there. You guys, I need this, bro. I need that really. And then you advise, ne? I can take it on close now. Afrikaans met you. I must probably make this thing also loose. It's gonna be weird hearing you speak English, bro.
You must probably, nee.
Yeah, I think I must. Because I think this whole thing. Why can't your fingers fit in there? Bro?
Nee, mijn vingers is groot.
Okay.
So, al hierdie is los. Moet ons dit uithal?
Well, duh.
Ja, maar dat is die vraag. Moet ik het nou doen of wanneer kan ik scrap terugkomen? Okay, on second thought, we're gonna take everything out. And then I'm just gonna take it, the cover with me. Just like for reference or...
For an example.
For an example, oh, the guy can speak English. Sorry, guys. Oh, yeah, it's okay. Oh, wait. Guys, just know we don't know what we're doing, bro. We don't know what we're doing. We're just finding out as we go. And I'm waiting for the pada. That's what I'm waiting for. He's a pada, bro. Let me show you first.
I have a crack, that's why. I have a crack. The crack, my crack. And it cracked, and we all cracked. So now I'm taking the crack out to see what is the fault of the crack. Oh shit, that's not good. Oh fuck.
But yeah, I'm just gonna untighten this thing. Go to the scrap yard, go look for another one. Then think I'm gonna buy a new one. And then pour a bit more oil in, because I think I left a lot of oil when this thing broke. I mean, yeah. But the scary thing now, is to untighten this thing and find out what's going underneath there. Because I feel like there's a whole farm of frogs in there. But I'll check you guys when this thing is off.
Really, nigga?
Where the fuck is it, para? Oh, that's the para what I seen it. Yeah, I think guys, this is the frog I was talking about. I thought it's a frog. Oh, wait, man, sir. There's a lot of things that we cut out. Ah, this camera's dead.
West.
I don't know what gang size those are, but the tapered cover is off, and we're on our way now to CNF to go check on brake pads for his car. And I might just, while I'm there, hear what is the price of a tapered cover, because I'm already there. If it's within my budget, I'll get it. If it's not, we're going to scrap that. We just quickly at CNF to come check for this thing, and then for his brake pads or brake fluid?
Yeah, brake pads.
Brake pads, okay. But yeah,
Metal op metal.
Polos and so on, polos. Guys, I have bad news, brother. At CNF, they told us they don't have this thing there. So I'm on my way to Goldwagen. The last place I ever thought I'll go to buy parts, because prices there are a bit different. For now, I don't have a tripod, so I'm actually shooting with my hand, and it's cut because now I have to turn the camera around and my tripod broke. I'm gonna use his phone now. No, I'm gonna use his phone. This one's gonna die. But I'll vlog when we're inside there. We're almost there. My good sir, just wanted to find out. Tapered cover.
Polo 1.6.
Polo 9N, 9N3.
Yeah, what is the engine number there?
Yo.
Does it have the part number? We don't do this one.
You don't do it. So, yo. So guys, now we just went to CNF. Went to find out if they have the tapered cover thing. They said no, they don't keep it, they don't have it. We went to Goldwagen, which I thought would have the thing. They didn't have it. The uncle is suggesting what is it?
Nee, hulle kan nie wel nie. Ek weet nie, hulle close hom met iets specific sekerheid wat.
Yeah, the uncle suggested I just seal it. He's saying I'm gonna struggle to get this thing, and I kinda do actually believe it, because I've been looking for this thing for over 2 weeks now and nobody has it. So yeah, I'll update you guys now, but I just need to recoup and think what's gonna happen now. Yeah, that's it. We are looking for Protea Engineering right now. Here is Protea Engineering, but they probably closed by now, right? I think they open on a Saturday.
Wel, hulle gaan wel. Dis 'n welding plek. Hulle sal oop is. Ja, dis oop.
It's two one.
Ja, dis oop. Dis dit. Kyk al binne is daar nie iemand hoekom staan hierdie kar hier.
Ja, je moet praten, man. They said we should come here, but I think they are closed for now. Hello? Hello? Okay, I think they are closed. I'll just take the number and then come back later on. Yeah, they are closed. And I think it's going to be the case with most of the places around here. I think everybody's gonna be closed.
Dis een plek wat ek iemand ken.
And then the switch up. This guy just come back and he already has glasses on. In plek?
Enkel Air. My
Hoe is
pa se vriend werk daar. Ek kan dalk by hom hoor wat sal hy voorstel.
But are they open?
Ja.
Die video. Hey, Ruan, my dog. This guy. Okay. Oh wait, guys. We're at Lee Motor Space right now. Just gonna check if they can assist with it. I think it's the last place we're gonna go. That's a shop. And then after that, just a scrapyard maybe, and then we'll see. I think my camera is dirty, guys, because my hands are full of oil.
Man is smoking a guy, my dude. Tap it. Hy soos net so tap it soos hy tap it gou.
Let's be tapped, bruh. Okay, let's try. Lee's moat. Is it Lee or late? Yeah, Lee's. Just need your advice on this, sir. The tappet cover is cracked.
Okay.
Yeah. So all the places I've been to, I don't know if you guys maybe have one.
And what vehicle?
It's a Polo 9in.
Have you got a VIN number there? We can check
Yes, sir.
from there.
Yes, I'll just show you now. So the advice I'm getting is just to weld it up
Yeah.
and put it back on the car. But
Wait a
I'm
minute.
not sure about that. Where's the crack now? Okay, it's here. Right here.
It's not ready.
But it's going all the way.
That's going all the way, yeah.
So I don't know if when they tightened it, they made it too tight and then it buckled or what.
Could have, maybe.
So do you suggest you weld or get one?
If you can find one, it's better to get one. If you haven't been to this one.
I've been to this one. You just got to this one.
Onthou Goldwagen en Kraus is baie groter as hierdie.
Now,
But they will be linked.
yeah, they link to each
So
other.
you can go, yeah, and if they've got stock there, they'll
Yeah,
tell you. And then
because
you
the
can
guy
get
said
from
they didn't
there.
have stock there. That's gotta go to scrap yards.
Is jy gelukkig as jy
Yeah.
And then
Well, it's a BAH. It's a very popular motor. So maybe you'll find something.
Okay.
and then
Let's see.
The seal, also not even listed. I think it only uses silicon.
Okay, just silicone.
Because it doesn't have, it doesn't list the tappet cover gasket.
Okay. Do you maybe have a silicone?
I do. But Victor Ryan's good ones, $120.
Yes, sir.
We got Cubon for 60 rand.
Which one do you suggest? This
Best one is Victor
Okay,
Ryan.
the best one.
It's not the best one.
En dan smeer jy mos nou maar net om die rand.
Yes.
En dan sit jy hom op.
Yeah.
Ons moet kyk, ek weet my pa kan nie welding doen. As ons net iets kry.
Can't afford it. Fuck with me, I'll fuck running, I'll fuck your bitch. He do his research, he know I'm lit. Plain black t-shirt, no logo, he know this rig. I'm like, we hold on, he know I hit. I'ma hit the road, go city to city till I get rich. These hoes on go, she hop on the bus and they get clipped.
Wat?
Die achterste brek.
Nee, hy het gesê ek moet hom net 'n WhatsApp stuur as hy
Ja, dat is
stel. Is hy? Is hy?
Sha.
Ja, is hy.
Dat doen het ook wel al.
Ja, nee, dit is. Daar so is hy wat jou.
God man.
Koppel.
Goed, denk ik.
En die speelplaats.
Tere kunja.
Kyk dit
Ons
is
gaan
net.
niet doen.
Hallo.
Hè? Ja.
Ons gaan niet aan een goed moet eten. Die niet net eten.
Ja, dis koppel. So ek vra vir my vrou.
Hey, maar
Cover. As my net dalk daai ding uit los draai.
O ja, van nou nog, hè.
Dit ook 'n 10.
Nou, dat is still hier achter. So yeah, guys, we got the new kind of tappet cover. I don't know where's the old one. What's the old one?
Dis hy voor jou.
Oh wow, come on. Here's the old one. I'm just gonna try to put it on and then see afterwards. I know we have not been talking much throughout the whole video and the video's all over the place. But yeah, I mean, I just want to get this done, get the car started, and then we might go to someone just to help with the gear links and just overhaul the car itself. And then we'll just see. But I guess we'll see you guys now. Remember to tell your mother, to tell your father, to tell your grandfather's sister, which is your grandfather's boyfriend, to tell your sister's boyfriend, which is your ex, to tell your ex, which is your sister.
We outside!
Guys, just keep in mind, but I'm not mechanics or anything. So if we are kakan, just be patient with us. Hey, brother Shakes. Is he druk met hard, joh? Laat ons so stewig.
Ja.
The guy's turning red. The guy's turning red, guys. Ja, hij is moet hard, bro. Of wat is hij? Ga ik het klein gemaakt? Nee, hij moet niet kunnen te goed wezen. Ja, zo, ja, zo is eigenlijk iets meer. Ai, Shakes. Shakes.
Get some help.
Don't miss it now.
Schiet.
Ush! Yo, ik heb lang gewacht, maar hij niet, joh.
Oké, daar heb je nog een ding.
Wake up in the morning.
Koffer 3. Oké, nee, uitspraak. Sluit af. Ja, maar goed. Gooi om. Ja, sluit af. Hij lijkt olie.
Lekker olie.
Ja.
Sparklak.
Nee, hier zo.
Nee.
Die boot. Ik kon op en onderuit.
Nee, bro.
Ik glad het op hier uit.
One day later.
Away, Mason. Welcome back to the channel. Just excuse my hair, bro. What the hell? Yo. We tried to work on the car yesterday, and we actually did get the issue. The issue was the tappet cover. We replaced that. And when we tried to start the car a bit later on, this is what happened. So, as you can see, the car is leaking more, bro. So, yeah, it's not the tappet cover on its own now. It's basically the tappet cover and a few other things as well. So, today what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take the car out, give it a good wash under, let it idle for a while and just see where the oil is actually coming from.